Already? हाय वेलकम बैक टू नया स्पोर्ट्स एंड फर्स्ट सुबुतो कप हो रहा है, आपने फुटबॉल आप लाइव देख रही हैं, तो किस तरह से आप रिएक्ट करेंगी सुबुतो कप के लिए, अगर आप थोड़ा बता पाए तो।
मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सबसे पहले तो मज़ा आ रहा है ये फ़ुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट में। मैं इतने इंटरेस्ट से पहली बार देख रही हूँ, बता सकती हूँ कि मेघालय ने कितने गोल मिस कर दिए ठीक है, मणिपुर ने कितने मिस कर दिए, और मैं सच में से बहुत ज़्यादा इंजॉय कर रही हूँ। मुझे मेरे स्टार्टिंग के दिन याद आ गए, जैसे मैंने सबसे पहले कंपटीशन जो मैं बताती हूँ आप सबको कि एक फ़ुटबॉल के टूर्नामेंट में हुआ था, तो वो सारा कुछ एक एक रिकॉल हो गया माइंड के अंदर, एंड आई एम रियली एंजॉइंग इट। और जो इनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है परफॉर्म करने के लिए एट दिस एज, और उसमें इंटरनेशनल टीम्स आ रही हैं, तो दैट्स रियली ग्रेट।
एंड फ्यूचर किसी भी ग्रास रूट लेवल है, फ्यूचर कितना देखते हैं आप इन बच्चों का?
अभी जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो कि फ़ुटबॉल काफ़ी आगे आ रहा है, नॉट एट दैट लेवल बट स्टिल इट्स कमिंग आउट, तो यही है हमारा फ्यूचर। तो डेफिनेटली हमें बहुत सारे यहाँ से ऐसे प्लेयर्स मिलेंगे कि आने वाले टाइम में हमारा इंडिया फ़ुटबॉल में भी राज करेगा।
एंड मैम आई थिंक लास्ट एशियन गेम्स यू वन 2 मेडल्स 800 1500, लेकिन इस सीज़न आपने 2 कॉम्पिटिशन खेले, एंड वन एशियन इंडोर एंड एक और टूर्नामेंट था बाहर का
BMC कॉल्ड BMC।
तो उसके बाद शायद आपकी इंजरी हो गई?
नहीं, मैंने जो एशियन इंडोर खेला था उस टाइम भी मुझे हैमस्ट्रिंग में पेन था, लेकिन आई डिडंट बॉदर दैट बिकॉज माय ओलंपिक्स वाज अहेड एंड दैट वाज जस्ट ओनली पेन, बट by the time I ran BMC I was in pain, first in my tendon, that was I can't tell name, but that was in my foot. So, and another one, I just got recovered from that injury. It took 6 weeks, and after that I was back into track. I was doing great, and then my hamstring just pop out so it was, when it happens first I was like, okay, I will keep trying. Now this is enough because I take a lot of rest, and just 4 weeks ahead, like after 4 weeks there's the Olympic selection trials. I'm already missing my races because, as you know, I was having holding good score with the points of Asian Games and the Asian Indoor, and I just had to run only 3 races to be in Olympics, but I was not even able to run at that stage. Then I just took again 1 week of full bed rest because of my hamstring, and then started my rehabilitation, not the rehabilitation but my treatment and everything. And then again I start back running, and the sound came from my hamstring, and the hamstring went totally blue, and I was so surprised, like what happened to me. Then my coach said, don't do it, just go for a rest and have a scan. And then when I just done with scan and got to know it's a grade 2B tear in my hamstring tendon, so doctor said it will take at least 8 to 9 months to recover, but still, like they will do scan. Okay, just 3 questions left.
Do you have same regrets to not qualify for the Olympics?
Now can't say anything. At very first stage I was it was like a big sorrow to me because I missed Tokyo Olympics as well, I missed this one, and I was like, the thoughts were coming in my mind like I should commit suicide or I should leave the sports, and so many things. Why I listened to my parents at that point to start athletics and everything. So, but now I'm fine and I recovered from that things now. Hopefully, let's see what's the plan. I don't know even what's the plan. I'm not planning anything.
World Championship next year is a realistic plan for you?
Actually not, because as I told you, doctor said like 8 months I can't even run. So after that the scan will be done again. So then depend on the scan I will start my training. If the tendon tear not repaired, then I have to do rehab again.
And I think in the last two Olympics, there is no 800 meter runner and
1500 meter runner.
Last 16, Jenson Johnson, Tintu Luka.
Yes.
So, इससे क्या कहना चाहेंगे and क्या बोलते हैं? What is the reason behind this? In your opinion?
We just need, we need the athletes who perform like continuously. Like continuously means like doesn't mean like Sydney took time, like 1 year of gap. That's not what I'm saying. Like she's not performing and she's performing back to back so good. She's just repeating her own timings. She's performing so well. Like it's not like she just run only one race and that's it. So that's the big reason like why India is not like doing so great in 800, 1500.
Okay, and thank you so much, Arjuna. All the best for the future.
Thank you so much.